Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hat. Today's topic is iconic design. So let's start and make a logo. First of all, I will change here some color and then I'll go for the main design. What is logo design? So I'll select this and change this color. I will take to the deeper blue, and it should be the deeper blue, and it's a stroke color. So make it deeper blue, and its stroke should be the deeper blue. How it look like, I think it's look pretty good. So now I will save it, save it and export it as png function, and replace it with the past. So go for a new design, go for a new page and new artboard. uh, every logo design you have to take 10 into 10 inch artboard, so create it 10 into 10 inch artboard. Here you can see I will make a wings. So I will take a pen tool here. I'll take a pen tool and different type of wings. So and now you can see here how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. And now sorry, I will select this and go for the design. uh, no, the first was right, sorry. And I think it's the right. Now I will make something new. and and you can see here This is a design, and I will change this color. Mm, what will be the, sorry, I will change this color, and it should be the, I think it's the perfect things. And I will make stop, delete stop, make it the delete stop, and yeah, you can see there is a problem. So I will make here, and it should be the deeper blue. And how it look like, I think it's pretty good. And now I will use the paint tool. Its color should be the, and it will be the, it will be the white color, white color. I'll make here some copy. Sorry. And it should be the upper here. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Here you can see. And I will make a copy of it. Make a copy of it. And now sorry. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good. And you can see here what I have done now. And this is today's design, and I will show the more things on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Thank you all to subscribe my channel. Thank you.